An hour or two before bed, start winding down. Dim the lights, put away your phone, and let your mind relax. All right. Let's talk about something we all need, something precious, something vital: sleep. That's right, folks, sleep. It's the reset button for our minds and bodies, the time when our systems recharge, repair, and get ready for another day in this wild world. We all know how good it feels to wake up after a truly restful sleep, feeling refreshed and energized. But sometimes getting that good sleep can feel like chasing a dream, can't it? Tossing and turning, the mind racing, the worries of the day clinging on. Tonight we're going to chase those worries away. We're going to talk about how to take back control of our nights and wake up feeling like we can conquer the world. So get yourself comfortable, let's dim the lights, and dive into the ultimate guide to 10 times better sleep tonight. We're going on a journey to rediscover the power of a peaceful slumber. Just like nature follows its rhythms, our bodies thrive on routine. Going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends, can do wonders for your sleep. It's like setting your internal clock, letting your body know when it's time to wind down and when it's time to rise and shine. Think of it like this: even the sun rises and sets on a schedule. And just like the sun, we too have our own natural rhythms. When we honor those rhythms, we honor ourselves. We're creatures of habit, and our sleep loves a good habit. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Matthew. Weekends are made for sleeping in. And I hear you. But even shifting your sleep schedule by an hour or two can throw things off balance. Consistency is key, folks. It's like a gentle lullaby that lulls your body into a natural sleep cycle. So find your rhythm, set your schedule, and let your body rest easy. Now, before you drift off to dreamland, it's important to create a calming atmosphere. Think of it as setting the stage for a good night's sleep. An hour or two before bed, start winding down. Dim the lights, put away your phone, and let your mind relax. A warm bath, a good book, some light stretching, or listening to calming music can work wonders. Find what soothes your soul, what whispers to you. It's time to rest. This is your time to unwind, to let go of the day's stresses and worries. It's like slipping into a warm bath after a long day, letting the warmth melt away the tension. Remember, the moments before sleep are precious. Use them to create a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. All right, let's talk about your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a haven, a sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. Think cool, dark, and quiet. A slightly cooler room temperature can actually promote better sleep. And when I say dark, I mean dark. Even the faintest light from electronics can disrupt your sleep. Invest in some blackout curtains if you need to. And let's not forget about noise. If you live in a noisy environment, consider a white noise machine or earplugs to block out any distractions. Remember, your bedroom should be your sleep sanctuary, a place where you can escape the world and fully surrender to slumber. Chapter 4, You Are What You Eat. Even in sleep diet and sleep quality, what you eat and drink, especially close to bedtime, can have a big impact on your sleep. Try to avoid heavy meals, caffeine and alcohol a few hours before bed. Instead, opt for a light snack if you're feeling peckish. Something like a handful of almonds or a banana can actually promote sleep. Think of it this way. You wouldn't fill your car with the wrong kind of fuel before a long drive, would you? The same goes for your body. Give it the right fuel to power a good night's sleep. Remember, a well-nourished body leads to a well-rested mind. Chapter 5. Move your body to rest your mind, physical activity and sleep. Listen up, folks. Regular physical activity can do wonders for your sleep. Even just a 30-minute walk during the day can make a difference. Now, I'm not talking about running a marathon right before bed. Intense exercise too close to bedtime can actually make it harder to fall asleep, but finding ways to move your body throughout the day can help regulate your natural sleep-wake cycle. So get out there, get active, and let your body do what it does best: move, sweat, and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Chapter 6. Taming the Worry Tigers, Managing Stress and Anxiety. We all carry stress and worries, it's a part of life. But when those worries start to keep us up at night, it's time to take action. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for a good night's sleep. Whether it's meditation, journaling, spending time in nature, or talking to a loved one, find what helps you unwind and let go of the day's burdens. Remember, your mind is like a garden. If you let worries run wild, they'll choke out the peace. But if you tend to your mind with care, you'll cultivate a sense of calm that invites restful sleep. So find your peace, quiet the noise, and let go of the day's worries. Chapter 7. Digital Sunset. Limiting Screen Time Before Bed. All right, folks, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Our phones, tablets, and TVs. The blue light emitted from these devices can interfere with our sleep patterns. Try to avoid screen time at least an hour before bed. Instead, create a digital sunset. Dim the lights, put away your devices, and let your mind unwind. Think of it as giving your brain a break from the constant stimulation. It's like turning off the noise and allowing your mind to settle into a state of peace. Remember, darkness is a natural sleep aid, so embrace the darkness and let your body prepare for rest. Chapter 8. The Sleep Stealers, Caffeine and Alcohol. Now, I know we all love a good cup of coffee or a glass of wine, but be mindful of how these substances affect your sleep. Caffeine can stay in your system for hours, making it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. And while alcohol might make you feel sleepy at first, it can actually disrupt your sleep later in the night. So be mindful of your intake, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Remember, a good night's sleep is worth more than a temporary buzz. Chapter 9. Let the sunshine in. Exposure to natural light. Sunlight is like a natural alarm clock, signaling to our bodies that it's time to wake up. Try to get at least 30 minutes of sunlight each day, especially in the morning. This will help regulate your natural sleep-wake cycle and improve your sleep quality. Open your blinds, step outside, and let the sun shine in. Remember, sunlight is nature's way of saying, "Good morning, it's time to seize the day." Chapter 10. Finding your inner oasis. Relaxation techniques. Sometimes our minds need a little help quieting down before sleep. That's where relaxation techniques come in. Whether it's deep breathing exercises, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation, find what helps you calm your mind and release tension. Think of it as giving your mind a gentle massage, easing away the stresses of the day. Remember, a calm mind leads to a peaceful sleep. Outro Sweet Dreams. There you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to 10 times better sleep tonight. We've covered a lot of ground, from setting a consistent sleep schedule to creating a relaxing bedtime routine. From the importance of a comfortable sleep environment to the impact of diet and exercise. Remember, good sleep is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to a big difference in the quality of your sleep. So tonight, choose one or two of these tips and give them a try. You deserve a good night's sleep, and with a little effort, you can make it happen. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you on the other side of a slumber, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world.